Hello, friends. This is Chandrakant from Akulmac Technologies, and welcome to Top Brass. And in the Top Brass, currently the contest is going on for all Indians globally as well as in India. And Indians are now basically producing a lot of videos. And on Wednesday we actually give the tips for the contestants. So the contest is about Speaker of the Year, and the winner will get a lot of awards and a lot of recognition by the industry leaders, and also probably get the contract for working for the some of the sponsors. And our intention is that the most of the people make the very good videos, and that is why on every Wednesday we give a lot of tips, and we have given a lot of basic tips, how to set up your camera, how to set up your light, how to make a video, how to make an interview, how to handle the objection. But today I would like to give a tip which is very very important, and that will make the contestants and also generally people who are making their videos to think what is best and whether their videos are conveying the message that they have thought about. So here are the 6 tips to define the messaging behind your videos, because messaging is very very important. What is that you're trying to convey to your audience. So I would like to draw your attention to something which I prepared, and here comes the first tip. Your message has to be believable. It should not be something which is not believable. For example, if you're an IT company and you say that, hey, I do solutions for ERP, and by the way I also have an IoT unit, and also have a mobile application development, and I also do virtual reality, and I also have solutions for AI, and by the way I also do gaming. So somewhere your messaging itself as a company, because it looks like that you don't do anything. So your message has to be very believable. It has to be, it has to look like as if you actually do something, something of any value to the audience. So the tip number one is that your messaging has to be believable, and it has to be related to the video that you are making. So that is tip number one. I hope I'm able to make that point very clearly. So the first value that you should bring in your underlying messages of your video is that it should all look very believable. And to make your video believable, you have to do a little bit of research before you start talking. Because if your value proposition in the video is very shallow, again it will not be perceived as if it is believable. So make sure that you do little research of the subject and make statements which are believable. So that is tip number one. Tip number two, it should be very simple. It should be understood by majority of the people. So try to use simple language. Try to use, think like as if you're making your video for variety of audience. So make sure that you don't use too many words. Make it simple for people to understand and grasp. So that is the tip number two. Moving on to tip number three, your underlying message of your video should be positive. So you're talking about the believable message. The subject that you're talking about is well researched and thorough. Second thing is, when you're talking about the subject, it is simple. And the third thing is that about the subject, there has to be some positivity. Your body language, the language that you're using, the words, your surrounding has to give some positive impact on the audience. So I think this is very important for retaining your viewers to your video. So create a positive environment in your delivery as well as in your surroundings. Number four, your messaging has to be purposeful. It has to mean something for the audience. It should not be given just like that. It has to have some purpose. So when you are making a video, it should solve certain thing. It should either give advice, or if you're making a video which is about making something, so it should actually in the end produce that result. So it has to be purposeful. It should not be a false propaganda. So if that be put people off, and the chances are that if the people are off, they will not never visit your channel again. So number 4 is purposeful. Number 5, very important, it has to be targeted. So when you say some subject, make sure that the target audience get that perceived value out of it. So you have already created a purpose for your video, but you should also then target to the right audience. For example, if you're making a video on uh, some sort of carpentry kind of a thing, let's say, or how do you solve a problem in an ERP, let's say, as an example. So it should be targeted. It's when you actually um, attach hashtags to your video, you will have the ability to target it to a certain set of people whom you want them to visit and see your video. So make sure that your messaging is very targeted, so it's easier for you to identify who are the right audience for your video. And then the message has to be controlled. So this is a point somewhat related to what we said earlier, that your message has to be simple, but at the same time, your message has to be controlled. Make sure that you don't speak too much. Make sure that you don't use adverse language or foul language. It has to be very politely controlled. For the very reason is that these videos which you are making will remain forever in the platform like YouTube or Facebook unless you delete them. So make sure that your language, your diction, your way of delivery, your target audience, your messaging is believable, and it is simple to understand, is all in a very controlled and confined environment. So make sure that when you start recording your video, your mindset, your body language is all under that small sphere of activity for that particular video. After that, once you have made your video, you can go and free yourself, but it has to be very controlled. So I think if you follow these 6 tips, your video will come out very, very powerful, and you will be able to convey your message very effectively to many people. So this is something which I thought I will bring to you, not only for the contestants of the Speaker of the Year award, which we are actually conducting, but for people who are basically making videos every day. There are so many videos coming. There are a lot of webinars being conducted. So these 6 tips will help all the people who are in this arena, in the digital arena, making videos. So this is all for today, for Wednesday. I will meet you again with more tips next week on Wednesday again. Until then, I like to say goodbye to you. Do write in and I will respond to you as quickly as possible. Bye-bye. Until next time.